Good morning, students. I am Megha Agrawal, your computer teacher from Nalanda Public School. Today, I am giving you a smart class presentation that is based on your lesson number 1. Till your exams, till you'll appear for your examination, till then, we'll just do the revision of lessons that are coming in your examination. I think you are having your exam on 29th. Okay, so till then only we'll do the revision of 1 and 2 chapter again and again. Okay, so here is a smart class presentation for you all. View it. It will visual effects are always beneficial and remains in our memory for a longer time. So view this video. It will help you in recalling chapter number 1. So chapter 1 is computer in our world. In this chapter, we are going to learn
Hi kids.
what is computer, what are machines, what is the benefits of computer, and the last point, the uses of computer. Okay, so through this video we're going to learn about machines, benefits of computer, and uses of computer. So watch this video carefully.
You must have seen your parents clean the house with a vacuum cleaner, wash your uniform with a washing machine, and ironing it with an ironing machine. Do you know what are they called? They are called machines. Machines are human-made things which make our work easier. There are different types of machines. Machines like vacuum cleaner and washing machine run on electricity. Aeroplanes and cars run on fuel. And your cycle runs on human power. Today, we will learn about one such machine. Do you know what is this machine called? Yes, it is a computer. It is a wonderful machine. Like other machines, a computer also helps us to work faster, easier, and better. But a computer is different from all other machines. It is a smart machine. Do you know what makes computer a smart machine? A computer is a smart machine because it can remember a lot of things. Computer works at a great speed. For example, you can get printouts within seconds. Computer does not make mistakes while doing calculations. For example, it can calculate 4 into 4 and 5 plus 2 within seconds. Computer can do many types of jobs such as sending emails, surfing the web, and so on. So now you know why computer is called a smart machine. Do you know what you can do with it? You can use it in many ways. You can use it to draw and color pictures, write emails to your friends and teachers. You can also do sums, play games, watch films, and so on. We can do many more things with computer. You will learn about them later. Let us summarize what you have learned in the video.
Okay, so what we have learned through this video, that a machine is something that help us in making our life simple and faster. A machine is a gadget that reduces human efforts. हमारी मेहनत को कम कर देता है. मशीन की हेल्प से हमें मेहनत कम लगती है किसी भी काम को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वॉशिंग मशीन. Okay, so if you are using washing machine to wash your clothes, it reduces your human efforts. Okay, next if we talk about the computer, so computer help us to work fast, easier, and better. कंप्यूटर इज़ नॉट एन ऑर्डनरी मशीन, इट इज़ अ स्मार्ट मशीन. कंप्यूटर कोई ऑर्डनरी मशीन नहीं होती है नॉर्मल की पानी रेफ्रिजरेटर है कि पानी ठंडा कर देगी. कंप्यूटर इज़ अ स्मार्ट मशीन. क्यों स्मार्ट मशीन बोला जाता है? बिकॉज अ कंप्यूटर डज नॉट मेक एनी मिस्टेक्स. कंप्यूटर में आप कैलकुलेशंस कर सकते हो, आप यू कैन वॉच मूवीज़, यू कैन लिसन टू दी सॉन्ग्स, यू कैन वॉच वीडियोज़, you can complete your assignments using computer. So n number of tasks you can perform using computer, and most importantly there are several benefits of using a computer, as computer does not make any mistake. Computer works very fast and it makes our life work, it makes our work easy. It never gets tired. Computer never says that I am tired, I need rest. Okay, next, most important thing is a computer can store a lot of information. So a computer can do a lot of things, a lot of work for you.
You,
So
you can also do some.
and most important, that computer is used to play games, watch films and write letters. You can write emails, letters, you can have you can talk to your friends or teachers using computer. You know, you have online features, you can go online and you can have a video chat using computer. So computer is very useful machine. It is a smart machine and computer is an electronic machine. computer किस पे बेस्ड है? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे बेस्ड है. आपका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर सप्लाई नहीं होगा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होगा, कंप्यूटर भी वर्क नहीं करेगा. सो इट इज़ टोटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो कंप्यूटर इज़ अ स्मार्ट मशीन बट इट इज़ एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक machine also. Okay, now next we'll talk about the uses of computer.
Hey Pasha, what are you doing?
I am working on a computer. I am making my school project using computer.
Why are you using a computer for your project?
A computer is useful to us in many ways. That's why we are doing a project on the computer.
Can you tell me about the uses of computer?
Oh, sure. Let me explain them to you. Computers can be used for sending and receiving messages through email. This email can be typed using keyboard. Keyboard has keys with which we can write on a computer. This is called as typing. How do you draw a picture?
I use paper and color pencils to draw pictures.
You know, Jia, computers can also be used to draw and color pictures with the help of mouse.
Oh, is it?
We can also play games like car racing, carom and many other games on computer using the mouse and arrow keys on keyboard.
Oh, wonderful.
Jia, do you like listening to music?
Of course, I do.
How do you listen to the music?
I often listen to music on televisions and radio.
Jia, computers can also be used to listen to music, watch movies and cartoons. You can use speakers or just plug in your headphones to listen to music.
Interesting.
Hey, Jia, how do you add two numbers?
I usually do it using paper and pencil, or at times my dad helps me to do it with the help of a calculator.
Calculator is perfect device to perform arithmetic calculations. In the same way, we can even use a computer to calculate and solve sums.
Oh, brilliant!
Hey Jia, that's a nice pencil box you are having. Where did you get it from?
I bought it from a stationery shop near our house. I usually go there with my parents to buy things.
Do you know that we can shop with the help of a computer? It is called online shopping.
Wow, that's very convenient.
Jia,
Let's suppose you want to search the capital of a country. Guess what? That too can be done using a computer. It can be used to search information on a variety of topics. Wow, wonderful!
Okay, so what are the uses of computer? If we talk about the uses, the first and foremost use of computer is that you can do your school assignments, school projects using computers, using WordPad or Notepad applications. You can do painting, drawing paintings on computer. You can create birthday card, greeting cards using computer. Then you have calculator application. लाइक यू यूज़ कैलकुलेटर फॉर कैलकुलेशन, जैसे कि आप कैलकुलेटर यूज़ करते हो कैलकुलेशन के लिए, या आप पेंसिल और पेपर लेके ऐड करते हो दो नंबर्स. ओके, तो यू कैन डू द एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एनी टाइप ऑफ कैलकुलेशन यूजिंग कंप्यूटर्स. नेक्स्ट वी कैन लिसन टू द म्यूज़िक using computer. We can watch movies on computer. We can we can just do video chatting using computers if you are having web camera. And most importantly, nowadays it's trending that you can go without going outside, you can do shopping using computers. That is known as online shopping. ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग आप फ्लिपकार्ट से, मिंत्रा हो गया, फर्स्ट क्राई हो गया, तो ये सारे प्लेसेस से आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद सकते हो, परचेजिंग कर सकते हो यूजिंग कंप्यूटर्स एंड सिटिंग एट होम. So all these are the important uses of computer. Computer has made our life very simple and fast. If we are talking about assignments, you can search for any of the information that has been asked you in the assignment using computer. If you are having access to the internet access, if you are having internet access, then you can access any information using computer.
Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.
So these are the main points. These are the points that are showing you that what are the uses of computer. So you can do drawing, you can solve sums, you can play games, you can search any of the information using Google. Then you can listen to music, you can do any sort of typing, letters, assignments, anything. Okay, what is typing? Typing means when you are pressing the keys of a keyboard. जब आप कीबोर्ड की कीज़ को प्रेस करते हो, और जब आप प्रेस करते हो तो आपकी स्क्रीन पे वो चीज़ें टाइप होती जाती है. सपोज यू आर प्रेसिंग के, तो के आपको स्क्रीन में दिखेगा. यू आर प्रेसिंग डी, सो डी आपको स्क्रीन में दिखेगा. सो व्हेन यू आर प्रेसिंग द कीज ऑफ द कीबोर्ड, देन इट इज़ नोन एज टाइपिंग. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? टाइप करना बोलते हैं, टाइपिंग. So if you have some assignments given by your teacher, you can complete that assignment by typing it on the computer. So all these are the uses of computer. So quickly revise this video. Okay, go through this video. It is very interesting and helpful video for you all. Just go through this video and recall chapter 1. Thank you.